it's me, more tour elevators. And we are at the Wabeek building in Birmingham, Michigan. We got an Otis elevator. However, wait till you see what's on the inside. That was at 3 probably or something. Okay, we'll wait for it to open up. I'm a little nervous riding this thing. Let's get on. Go up to 2. Okay, Otis. Oh, let's look at the indicator we're going on. Ooh. Okay, here's the fixtures and whoa, interesting. G. Okay, let's wait for it to close up. It's just gonna take a long time. Okay, There we go. Okay. So the capacity is 3,000 pounds. Serial number is 90238. 3's locked off though. Here's the Otis logo. Fixtures at the longer. So yeah. However, unfortunately, buttons replaced, but still, very interesting elevator. Okay, since it already went, that will be it. Let's get a quick thumbnail of this car station in case if I want to use it for this video. Oh, and one more thing before we end the video. This is actually a fake elevator. However, that will be it. Please make sure to like and subscribe. WTE is going out.